Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add text in curved direction in Divi WordPress website. Now here you can see this is my term website. Let me log in. Just you can log in into your website by adding /wp-admin. Then here we can go in the plugin directory. So here you can find out all the free plugins related to Divi WordPress theme. Just we can install a free plugin. And here you can see this is light variant. So now you need to get this pro variant to add curved text in your Divi WordPress website. So I have added a free plugin. Then we can upload here the pro variant of plugin. Let me add that plugin file. Make sure that the plugin file is in zip format so that you will not get error during plugin installations, and it will take just few seconds for installation. Here you can see now just activate this plugin. Now let's go back to the pages, and here we can see the page. Let's view it on the front side. And now let's enable Divi Visual Builder. You can also enable Divi Visual Builder. Here you can see edit with Divi. And after that you can add any type of design in your Divi WordPress website. So let's see, now we will scroll down. Okay, and let's find out plus icon to add a new section in our Divi WordPress website. So let's see how it works. And just click on blue icon to add a new regular section. Then here we can select two column, and after that search for text path. So this is the module that comes with Divi SuperMe modules plugin, and here you can see this is by default text. Whatever text you want to add, for example, so here you can see the direction by default selected wave. You can also add these in the circle shape. Then here you can see these are some options that you can change, for example right to left, left to right. And then if you want to show the path, now here you can see how it works. Then go to design tab, then alignment options, text paths, so you can change the color. Then you can increase its width, and you can also change into logo shape. Then also you can rotate. Then you can also apply word spacing, then starting point. Then you can also change title text. Here you can see these are all the typography options, whatever you want to do. Then scroll down, you can also increase or decrease title text, as well as you can apply sizing, spacing, and animation effects to your text. Then click on three dots and save it. In this way you can easily add curved text in your Divi WordPress website.